Hello everyone. So our next topic is all about CSS link, like we know in HTML AH reference. Okay. So before we start with the style sheet part, we'll first focus on our body section. This is just one message. Okay. And we have created one link, and the heading is "This is a link." And if we will click on this link, it will redirect you to google.com because of this reference and target equal to underscore blank, that means new tab. Okay. And we have two paragraphs also, like for the note section. A hover, that means here you all can see first of all a link, then a visited, then a hover, and then a active. Okay. So a hover must come after a link and a visited. See, link, visited, and then hover in the CSS definition in order to be effective. Okay, that is the first thing. And second note is a active, that is the last one, this one. Yeah, this one. It must come after a hover, that is this one. Okay, in the CSS definition in order to be effective. So coming to this style sheet part, like here we have used internal style sheet because everything is in one file, one HTML file, and our style is inside the head section. So first of all, what is the meaning of a link? If you have not visited that link, okay, then it is unvisited and you will find color as what? Red. Visited means obviously you have visited that link one time, two time, three time, then color will change to what? Green. Mouse over, that means if you will move your mouse to that link, you will find change in color yellow. And then selected means using mouse, you keep on pressing that first button, you will find blue color. So let's check all these four possibilities. Control S. Okay, and I think first time if it is unvisited. Okay, and make sure you have clear your history, browser history, otherwise you directly you will get green color visited only. If you are going to run this code for second time, third time, fourth time, then you will get green color. If you are running this first time, then only you will get a red color as a unvisited link. So let's check the output of this. Yeah, we are getting red color because it is first time. That is one thing. So we are done with the one color. Then it is yellow because of the mouse over. So we are done with the second color. Okay. And if I keep on pressing on this link, okay, like yeah, this is link. Okay, and it will open google.com in a new tab, and now we will come to previous window. It is green color. See, visited. It's done. So that is all about CSS link. Thank you everyone.